In this video, we're going to cover how to send a text message to mobile phone numbers based on a geographic radius. The first thing we'll want to do is use our deliver tool, which you'll find at the top center here. You will then want to create a new mailing. We'd like to give our mailing a name. Put it in a folder if we would want. And our method will be SMS. Then click Save. Once we are in our mailing, we'd like to define where to send it to. So let's go ahead and edit the recipient list. Let's build a new query. Let's give our query a name. We can share it with other colleagues if we would want. And type will be configurable joins, records, and in our person base. And click Save. Now let's add some exports. So let's go ahead and add preferred name. Let's also do mobile phone. Let's use a dependent subquery. We'll give it a name. And then we're going to also select mobile phone here. Save. Now we're going to use our geographic proximity filter. So let's search for that here. We're going to use the zip code version of it. Let's join it to the addresses table. And let's go ahead and select a zip code. So let's do this one, and let's do a mileage radius. So we'll do that. We're going to go ahead and save. This looks pretty okay right now. We can preview results as well. Looks good. Finally, we're going to go back to our mailing. Once we are back in our mailing, let's go ahead and send a message. So we can edit our message from here. We are going to send it to the alumni's mobile phone. Additionally, we'll want to insert their preferred name and type a message here. Go ahead and click Save. You'll be able to get a quick preview of the message from here. And once we're ready, we can go ahead and send the mailing. The frequency will be just one time. We're going to send it now. And once that looks good, let's go ahead and send it. In this case, it's asking us to confirm that we do want to send the message. Finally, we might want to check if the message sent. So from the mailing, we'll be able to understand some of the delivery details on the right-hand side here. But let's just say that you also want to check on the timeline of the alumni. So let's go ahead and go to the alumni, and let's look at the timeline. You can actually see that the message actually did send here. So that'll give you final confirmation. Thank you so much for joining me, and we hope to see you again for a future Slate Bytes video.